Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can delete your TikTok account permanently. If this video helps you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. At first, open your TikTok app. Then go to your profile by clicking on this profile button. Now click on this three horizontal line. Then click on setting and privacy. From here, click on account. Now click on deactivate or delete account. Now if you want to deactivate your account, you can deactivate it from here. But we are here to delete our account permanently, so click on delete account permanently. Now just select a reason why you want to delete your account permanently. For example, I am selecting safety and privacy concern. After selecting the reason, just click on continue. So this is how you can delete your TikTok account permanently. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.